Hello YouTube, today we're going to talk about getting rid of that seam right there I told you about last time. Just trying to make it look more realistic. Just anything you can do to fix that. Now this top part will be covered by the cylinder head itself, but it's a good idea to sand that down so it'll set smooth on there and it won't rock around and look not correct. So I just take a file, start out with the file for the bigger stuff, and just work on that seam to try to make it smooth across there. So you can, in just that little amount of time, I've done quite a bit of good work on that oil pan right there. Work on that right there a little bit. There's a little bit of a ledge there. But yeah, you just work your way all the way around. Something else I didn't notice earlier is the transmission around the top and the bottom, and the block on the sides, but that's not a big issue. The transmission and bell housing has a texture to it, so it'd be kind of interesting to see if I'll be able to sand that enough to where you won't notice it, or if it's going to take that texture away, where it'll be really noticeable. Looks like it's turned out okay here so far. But yeah, like I said, you just work your way all the way around. Some places are going to be more stubborn than others. You just work on them a little bit more. And then once I go through with the file one time around, I'll get a sanding stick and just kind of smooth out, get rid of some of those sanding marks. Almost made it all the way around now. Just have the top to go yet. Alright. You can still see it through here a little bit. Like I said, I just need to go back through with a sanding stick and work on it some more. Just try to smooth it all out. These sanding sticks are a little bit better because they're flexible. So whereas the file is really going to dig in, these I can kind of contour to it a little bit more, and it won't eat so much plastic away and turn into something I don't want it to. These sanding files have two sides to them usually, at least the ones I get, and I have no idea what brand they are. But they'll have a coarser side and a finer side, and the ones I picked up, I got three different grits. So And I'm only going to use 2 of them on this one. The finest one I'm probably not going to use. It's a little bit turn out okay. Alright. So it's turned out fairly good there. You can still see a little bit of it. Sometimes you may have to get your putty out and smooth it out, put it on there, and then sand it to make it, you know, if you can't smooth it out with just a sanding stick or a file, you may have to get some putty to get in there and then sand it down, make it smooth. And what I'll do next is I'll probably put a coat of paint on it, and then that'll really show me the seam. Once you paint it, it'll show up like crazy. So once you paint it, just do like a base coat of something, and just go with the sanding stick again to get it all smooth, and try to get rid of that seam all the way around. That's what I'll do next time. I'll probably have a real short video of this painted and what it looks like. See how smooth it is all the way around. See what it looks like there. Thank you for watching.